Man, we've seen a lot of salmon jumping and even a few circling the boat like sharks. So as we head back to Seward, we're gonna troll for salmon and see what we can get. There's lots of pinks around, but hopefully we can get a silver or two.
We almost had 3 rods in the water.
I'm glad you did.
Yeah.
Oh! What did you do?
Is he?
Fish on! Yep. Okay.
There we go. That looks like a silver. That's a nice silver. Oh yeah, that's no stinking fake loot. Yeah, that's the good stuff right there, man.